What up, guys? This is Diego with Techie Life, and today I got a little small guide tutorial on how to ship things for cheaper than what they should be. So here I have a power supply that I'm going to be shipping out here, and as some of you know, I do sell parts on eBay for TVs and other stuff as well too. So what I normally do is I have a scale here. This goes up to 10 pounds. I just basically to have a rough estimate on what I should ship with. This one's 2 pounds, 7 ounces, 7.6. So I try to find a box that that fits this, because this is actually a kind of a super wide item here. So 2 pounds, 2.5 pounds, something like that. I have here an Amazon box here that I received the shipment on. This thing here weighs, let's see, it's about 11.8, it's about 12 ounces here. The good thing is this actually fits pretty well with this one. So if we add, let me put this in here in this box. So let me make sure it's at 0. If I put this in without any padding, I'm at 3 pounds and 3.2 ounces. But the thing is, my board stops right here. I have all of this extra space or area that I'm not using. So the thing is, if I put it here, I'm gonna have to be packing a bunch of stuff so it doesn't move around. So let's see. I'm gonna show you here how much it costs for some of the shipping here. Let's see. Alright, so here we're at, I can do the flat rate box, which actually would fit my part, and we would be at $17.65. Or I can do 4 pounds on that box for $16.07. Or if I show you the method that I'm going to be doing here, let's just say 3 pounds, I'll be at $13.15 there. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to get from that 4 pounds to 3 pounds. Alright, so let me move this out of the way here. I got my box here, and I'm basically gonna deform my box here. So I'm gonna need my measuring tape. So I know that the board here is about 1 inch thick, and I want to add about 2 inches of just padding here. So what I do is I get about 3 inches, and I'm gonna mark it here. 3 inches on all 4 corners here. 3 inches marked right there. 3 here. And then what I'll do is I'll start cutting the corners here all the way into the 3 inch mark. And you need some kind of heavier duty scissors here. These are titanium, carbon titanium. Pretty sturdy to cut wood, or not wood, cardboard here. That one. There's the 3 inches there. So first I'm going to fold these flap ends here, and I want to push my finger in here. I want to push it to where I can kind of perforate that corner, and perforate the other side as well too here. So when it folds, I have a nice crease here. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you do want it. The more perfect it is, the better the result comes out here. Same thing for this side here. We have that there, and then we'll do the middle portion here. I usually just like put my hand in, try to help it out there. Finish up this side here. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Man, so I kind of forgot that my phone here only allows 5 minutes of record time. But basically, I ended up cutting it. I cut the flaps in here, extra flaps. I measured a little bit for the middle to where to cut, and I was able to get this excess amount of cardboard here, which is good because that's weight that we just saved here. If I put here, let's see how much we saved here. At 0, there's a total of 3.8 ounces, which should be enough to, get us down to under the 4 pounds here. And then I also saved that space in between of packing or not packing but cushion. So that's good enough for me. It's a good idea. It'll save you money throughout, whenever you do shipping and stuff like that. Because sometimes for the product that you have, you don't always have a box for it, and you have too much of a big box and whatnot. But hopefully I learned something. Hopefully, you are able to take this and utilize it in your business, your small business here. And if y'all did learn something, please subscribe. Please share or whatever, comment, and hopefully you have a good day. Thanks. Laters.